16 bits are same here. So this decimal notation 128.208, 128.208, 128.208. So these two values, first two dotted values are same for all the three subnets, and the last two dotted decimal values are different based on the binary combination of the bits allocated for the particular department. So particular subnet. So the main network is 128.208 and subnets are also having this prefix 128.208, 128.208. And the last part of the network address varies depending on the bits you have allocated for the subnet. So if you have allocated 1, so it will be 0 here. Sorry, it will be 128 here because 1 and all zeros will be 128. And for this one, electrical engineering, this will be all zeros, so it will be 0.0, and this 011, this becomes 96, so it is 96. Okay, and all zeros of the host portion 0.0, 0.0, 0.0 in the last byte of the 32-bit address or this subnet address. I hope that is clear. Subnetting is very easy. The only thing is you have to first find out what is the prefix for the main network, and out of that, some of the bits from the host portion you can include in the subnet portion. So you take, suppose in this you have taken 1 bit for the subnetwork, for depicting the subnetwork. In this you have taken 2 bits, and in this you have taken 3 bits to for the subnetwork. And remaining bits, n bits out of this will be used for the host, which can be accommodated on that particular subnet. Now, how this the router will come to know about whether it is assigned for this particular subnet or that particular subnet, that you have to find out, and we'll give an example. So when a packet arrives, the router looks at the destination address of the packet and checks which subnet it belongs to. Now, how it will find out? The router can do this by ending the destination address with the mask for each subnet and checking to see if the result is corresponding prefix. Fine. So now what, now suppose this is my subnetwork. So what my router at this departments and main router, the subnet at this particular department's router will be, क्या होगा इसका subnet क्या होगा बच्चे? Can anyone tell? How will I calculate the subnet for computer science department in this example? Anyone? We discussed subnetting, we discussed the masking yesterday. I'll give you again the procedure for finding the subnet mask. All the bits in the network address will be put as 1, and then you'll have to find out the decimal equivalent. So now let me know the subnet mask for the first department, CS department. Am I audible to all of you? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So अगर आपको कल समझ में आया हो थोड़ा सा सबनेट मास्क कैसे फ्रेम करते हैं, कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, तो आप बताइए कि क्या सबनेट मास्क होगा सीएस डिपार्टमेंट का. कैन एनीवन टेल? मैंने अभी आपको प्रोसीजर बताया है. किसी को नहीं आता है? No one can reply. Students, no? Yes or no? Do you know it or no? If you're not able to find out the subnet mask, and if you're not able to tell the answer, let me know you are not able to answer. Say no.
Yes, ma'am. Please tell us. Yes, ma'am. Please tell.
Fine. अभी मैंने आपको बताया थोड़ी देर पहले भी और कल भी बताया था कि जो होस्ट जो नेटवर्क एड्रेस के बिट्स हैं, सबनेट के या नेटवर्क के जो बिट्स हैं, उन सबको अगर आप 1 कर दोगे, सिर्फ नेटवर्क पोर्शन के बिट्स को, और रिमेनिंग बिट्स को 0 कर दोगे, तो वो आपका सबनेट मास्क आ जाएगा. तो अब यहाँ पर कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट का जो सबनेट है, उसका जो नेटवर्क एड्रेस है, सब नेटवर्क का जो एड्रेस है वो है फर्स्ट 17 बिट्स शुड बी 1. ठीक है, तो पहले 8 बिट्स भी 1 कर दूंगी मैं सबनेट मास्क कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, नॉट द नेटवर्क एड्रेस. सबनेट मास्क बना रहे हैं तो मास्क के लिए ये सारे बिट्स भी 1 होंगे, ये सारे बिट्स भी 1 होंगे और ये वाला बिट भी 1 होगा, ठीक है। और सारे बिट्स जो रिमेनिंग 15 बिट्स हैं लास्ट वाले, ये सब 0 हो जाए। तो अब बताओ, अगर ऑल वंस होंगे, 8 वंस होंगे, तो क्या होता है उसका इक्विवेलेंट, डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट क्या होता है? What is the decimal equivalent of all 8 ones? 8 ones का decimal equivalent क्या होता है? 2 raised to power 8 is hello, anyone there?
256.
Yeah,
Ma'am, 256.
2 raised to power 8 is 256 and all 8 ones will be equivalent to 255. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 255 dot 255, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी ऑल वंस होंगे और यहाँ पर 1 and 8 zeros. So 1 and 8 zeros कितना होता है? 1 and 8 zeros कितना होता है बच्चे?
Five one two.
नहीं 512 नहीं, 512 कैसे हो गया बच्चे?
256.